It's often useful to save your SoundCheck measurement data for statistical analysis, offline post-processing, sharing with others, or saving to a database. SoundCheck offers multiple ways to easily save measurement data in many different formats. Let's take a look. When you're running a SoundCheck sequence, the memory list manages all the data generated. This includes curves, values, limit results, and waveforms. This measurement data can be manually saved by right-clicking the item in SoundCheck's memory list. Curves, values, and results can be saved as a .dat file, SoundCheck's native binary data format, text, a MATLAB file, or TDMS. That's National Instruments Structured Binary File Format. Multiple items can be selected and saved into a single file. From the Waveform tab, waveform data can also be saved directly as a WAV file, WFM, SoundCheck's native waveform, text, MATLAB, and TDMS. TDMS not only supports system and user metadata, but the data is also a fast binary format, minimizing read and write times when a sequence is running. It can also be opened in Excel and MATLAB using a converter plugin. If you use SoundMap, SoundCheck's time frequency analysis option, you can even save time frequency data directly to a MAT file for further analysis in MATLAB. Naturally, saving a SoundCheck sequence can be automated. An autosave step in your sequence lets you automatically save to any of the formats I just demonstrated, plus an SQL database and Excel. This makes saving data with each one of your sequence automatic, fast, and easy. If you're familiar with the Watts test data management software, we've even developed a utility to convert SoundCheck-generated text files directly into Watts for further analytics and process management. As you see, SoundCheck is supremely flexible when it comes to working with your existing lab or production line workflows. Whether you're someone who likes to run your own calculations and analytics in MATLAB or Excel, or when you need fast, automated writing to your own custom database. For more details, check out the instructional videos on saving data in our tutorials playlist.